Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in GitHub Cloud, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating a GitHub account if you don't already have one. Visit the GitHub website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address, choose a password, and create your username. Follow the prompts to complete your account setup, including verifying your email. Once your account is active, log into GitHub. Navigate to the GitHub Cloud Services page by clicking on the menu icon. Explore the available cloud products like GitHub Actions and Codespaces. Decide which service aligns with your project needs and goals. For GitHub Actions, select the Actions tab in your repository. Click on Set up a workflow yourself to start automating tasks. Choose from existing templates or create a custom workflow file. For Codespaces, click on the green code button in your repository. Select Open with Codespaces to launch a new codespace for development. Adjust the configuration settings to match your project requirements. Look into pricing for GitHub Cloud Services based on your usage and team size. Consider upgrading to a paid plan if necessary for additional features. Monitor your usage and spending through the billing section in your account. Engage with the GitHub community and forums for tips and support. Continuously update your skills to get the most out of GitHub Cloud Services. Stay informed about new features and services by following GitHub updates. You are now ready to invest in and effectively use GitHub Cloud for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.